Then we have physical theater. So physical theater focuses on the movement of the actors. So because the focus is using the actor as a means of expression of the ideas and messages of the play, it tends to use minimal props and scenery. Actually, a play directed by Steven Berkoff use the actors as furniture. So the actors transform themselves into furniture. So, well, physical movement has the feature that it communicates emotions in ways words cannot. So that's true. And this technique is evidently non-naturalistic and is highly stylized. So because this technique exaggerates movements with grace. So and uses mimic or mime techniques and improvisation. And so it's really highly stylized, and whatever message the actors are communicating, it's heightened by their movement. So this style has many schools, and each school has evolved or used techniques from other types of arts or other cultures or theater in other times. So usually most of physical theater actors and schools would borrow techniques from Comedia dell'arte, Asian theater, acrobatics, mime, dance, evidently, and clown. So it also has a lot of influential practitioners, a lot. Just to mention a few, we have Laban, so he was a dancer and he created a movement analysis. And then we have Copeau and Lecoq. So Copeau, he worked by using mime techniques and creating actors based on those techniques. And then Lecoq, he studied with him, and he added, on top of Copeau's method, he added clown. So clown techniques to it, and worked with masks as well. So I did a course, an introductory course of Lecoq, and we used mask, and it was a wonderful experience, if I may add. So, and then we have Steven Berkoff, who probably studied in a lot of schools, but he's also known to have studied at the Lecoq School. So Steven Berkoff, he created something he calls total theater, which actually uses movement, mimic, and improvisation to portray the minimum that is needed in order to create theater, or that's what he believes. So by just movements, mimicry, and improvisations, you will need anything, or you will have anything you need to create a message or to communicate a message. Then it's relevant to mention that there are a lot of styles, and another important factor is that when you are working or you're participating in a production, the style of the production, you may aim for any of these styles, and it's a good idea to research them, but nonetheless, the style of your production will be unique. It will emerge by itself in rehearsals. So once again, good idea to always aim for something, but in the end, your group, your cast, and your team will create something of their own.